Today most of the work is being done online in the whole world. In such a situation, a question arises whether any of our data is safe. Or suppose you are opening a website. It is monitoring someone, whether it is your internet service provider or your government. Or suppose you want to open a website that is restricted in our country. What you do? So, the solution to all these things is VPN. The full form of VPN is Virtual Private Network. This is a type of network used to secure private networks and Wi-Fi. This is a great technique, with the help of which you can transfer your personal data from a hacker anywhere. The VPN service is mostly used by online working traders, organizations, government agencies and similar people who do online business, so that he can keep his data from hackers and his document is not leaked. Virtual Private Network secures all types of data, whether data is important or not. VPN can be used to secure data using both computer and mobile. You can transfer data anywhere without being hacked. The job of a VPN is to secure our data over the Internet. Apart from this, you can also visit the Block website with such an app. Now we talk about how VPN works. When we use Internet in mobile without VPN, so our device works on the local network. Like we can easily be hacked by a hacker, and apart from that we are not able to open a blocked website in our country, and when you connect your device to VPN then it gets connected to a special network here, with the help of which you can send your data securely anywhere and you can open any block website. When the device is connected to the VPN and we open a block website, the VPN sends the user request to the block website and all the data of the website is shown on your device. When your device sends a request for access to the website server, it sends information of the device, thereby tunneling it to another IP address, thereby fooling the website server by changing the country and showing all the data in your device. When there is a VPN setup between you and your client, then an encrypted convert data file is sent to your client, so that there is no risk of your data being stolen, and this is how the VPN system works. Be it any business, small or big, we should always be careful about security. Today in this article, we are talking about online network and business security, in which we have also given you information about VPN. Now it comes to how VPN should be used. Whenever we are using Internet from a public Wi-Fi in a hotel, airport and coffee shop, someone can hack and remove our location and our details and data. But when we use VPN, the VPN software hides the actual IP address of our device, from which no one can track us online. VPN service is available in both free and paid. The service with free is slightly less secure than the paid one. Ads will be shown to you in free VPN. If your data is important, then you should not use a free VPN. If you want to work with normal, like to see such content which is not available in your country, then you can use free VPN. Now different VPN service is best for every type of work, like if you want to use VPN for special gaming, so you can use NordVPN service. In this you get the facility like 4K video and streaming, and it is a trusted VPN service which you can use for data transfer. Thanks for watching.